So today I'm going to analyze Bank Nifty stock, that is Bandhan Bank. So my analysis moves from higher time frames to lower time frames. So let me start analysis from monthly time frame. So this stock started around 2018. Let me mark the highest support and resistance 742. Current price is 322. So you can say the current price is 400 rupees less, which is the starting price. Second highest resistance is 650. Third one is this. These all are the major swings which I am marking right now. 433. Fourth one is 327. Fine. And major support is 250, 230. Fine. So these all are the major support and resistance. And let me go into the weekly. Sorry. Let me go into the weekly again. Sorry. Let me. These are actually I don't have a. I have a like a trial version for trading view. That's why these pop-ups are coming. Let me go into the weekly time frame. Let me see any chart pattern or any trend line or any other support and resistance is there. But basically one trend line I am able to see. That trend line is if you can see also, see that might be visible to you. So you will see the trend line which I am able to see right now is, if this is a trend line, but this is a dynamic this is a dynamic resistance, and second trend line which I am able to see is specifically this one, guys. But obvious this trend line will be break first, but if they break this trend line, definitely the upside movement is there, and from downside you guys will able to see this trend line, right? So let me go into the daily time frame. See, daily time frame, this is like the resistance 327, and if this breaks this 327, 433, because beyond than that this one is the resistance which, and this one is the resistance, and beyond than that is, you can see a major resistance appears to be this one, 370. In between there are minor resistance, but this one is the major resistance. Yes. So guys, once it breaks this 327, upside movement is 370. And let me go into the hourly. I'm just trying to figure it out, any chart pattern and any. See guys, you say I'm marking lot of support and resistance or trend line, but this trend line is definitely a valid trend line, guys. Very valid trend line. See, this is how the trend lines are there, and whenever the price moves down, definitely it's take a movement upside from here, and if it breaks, a huge downfall is there. So this is about a Bandhan Bank, and my analysis moves from higher time frames to lower time frames. I have done monthly, weekly, daily and hourly time frame, and along with that I try to figure it out the chart patterns, if anyone is there, support and resistance, trend lines or price actions. So this is how the things are working. So this is about a Bandhan Bank. Let me analyze Axis Bank, which we have already analyzed, and we'll see in a daily chart pattern how it behaves. See guys, I told you on that day the Axis Bank moves up and a bearish and a bullish pattern is there, and this is how today it goes 21 rupees 65 paisa, 2.88%. The previously analyzed chart, Adani Port. So guys, if I can say this pattern, which is symmetrical triangle, will it be fine? Appears to be. So see, pattern keeps on changing. This is how the market behaves. I am just marking and see, this is complete trend line. A reversal might come soon, and if this reversal is there from here, like today's price is 709, 777. Asian Paint, see guys, Asian Paint, again I am marking Asian Paint also. I'm also a learner like you guys, but still I try to figure it out the best support and resistance for you guys, because if you are going to trade or anything else, you can take the analysis of this and put your own analysis. I'm not recommending any stock, but I'm just giving educational view. So this is how we keeps on learning, and might be this educational view regarding this stock might be helpful to you in your intradays at any other stock or any other indices, or might be any commodity, forex, or anything, whatever you are doing. Bajaj Auto, guys, Bajaj Auto is in a range, so this range breakout is huge either side, but appears to be a bullish one. So a clear cut trend line is also there, this one. Fine. Bajaj Finance, I told you na, support resistance work. This is how resistance, it moves down but came back till stop at this particular resistance. And how this resistance came, sorry, support came. Let me see how this support came. Let us go into the monthly chart pattern, guys. How we mark this support, this one. Let me go into the daily again. So how we mark it from this particular place, this zone, this zone, this zone. That's how we mark, and here it comes. So let me analyze two or three more charts for you. Bharti Airtel, guys, Bharti Airtel in daily time frame, if I say, wait, this, 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 now might be this, might be, not sure. Working with support and resistance, bullish formation, bullish patterns are there. So definitely next target is 758 if it goes upside. Bharti Airtel I'm marking. Let me do one thing, I just mark bullish charts only. That will be helpful in our analysis also. This one bullish. Asian Paint. Asian Paint, guys, not comment. Bajaj Auto, bullish. Bajaj Finance, bullish. Bharti Airtel, bullish. BPCL. BPCL is in a range from quite long in a daily time frame, so result is soon. When also not completely good in trading view, but still I try. 31st Jan, and it is a dividend giving stock. 5 rupees last time, before than that 58 rupees, guys. So BPCL, if you see, near to earning within 1 or 2 days it was bearish, so chances are that of before earning it goes up, then downfall, something like that might be happen, not sure, so no comments right now. Britannia result is also soon, and this one I am nullifying, this one also, and this one also. Let me see if any pattern is there. Guys, trend line is there, guys. Let me delete it. So let me see, guys, a trend line. We miss this trend line. Let me see in weekly chart pattern. A trend line might see how minimize I have done this chart, and if I say, will it not be fine if this trend line is there? Let me see. Guys, this trend line is working. If you see from here, red candle, bearish candles. So this touches this red candle, still upside. So let me go into the daily time frame. So in daily time frame, lot of movement at this side, upside, now downside. Result is there. If the result is quite good, then the upside movement, heavy stock, Britannia. So, and after earning, how it performs? Upside, guys. Upside stock, guys. Upside. Chances are upside. So keep an eye on it. Britannia. BPCL, what is that? BPCL, have we provided any view? No. Britannia. Let me go into Cipla. Guys, what happened to Cipla? So big candles. Let me check. Oh my god. This is exactly this trend line. And if you see in daily chart pattern, specifically this one, and daily chart pattern is Cipla is in daily chart pattern making three bullish candles. See, three bullish candles formation. So when these three bullish candles are there, up three long bullish candlesticks. So will you be able to see three long bullish candlesticks this side? Keep an eye, upside movement is there in Cipla. Coal India Limited. If we mark some trend lines, that works actually. This is how it works in Coal India Limited. This one, and movement is upside. So Coal India is also upside movement. So guys, Adani Ports, Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance, Bharti Airtel, Britannia, Cipla, Coal India, as per support and resistance trend line and chart patterns and price actions, appears to be a bullish, but this is only educational view. If you are going to trade, take take your own analysis, and along with that, take some suggestion from your financial consultants. And that's all right now, guys. Do like to my videos, do subscribe to my channel, which actually motivates us, motivates me also specifically. And if you see my channel, I have uploaded multiple videos, so I keep try to give you the best educational view, so that that will be helpful to you and helpful in achieving your financial goals. And nobody knows which chart strikes to which person, and how the new learnings and new journeys will come into picture. So have a nice day, guys. Thank you.